Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can simply sign in to your account of Chipotle app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open your Chipotle app. Once it's opened, you simply need to click on the sign in option. Now here you need to type in your email address, with the help of which you have previously created an account. So after filling it, you need to type in your password of your account. If both of your credentials are filled, you can simply click on the sign in option. However, if you forgot your password, then you can simply click on the forgot password option to get signed in. So in these few steps, you can simply sign in into your Chipotle account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.